The following steps will show you how to embed a Google Calendar within your Moodle site. To do that, you will have to be logged in, and you choose which calendar you would like to embed. In this case, I'm going to embed the Redwan Sabar calendar within Moodle. First step is to go to expand your calendar by clicking on the arrow down, and you will choose calendar settings. We are not interested in all of these information on top in here. The most important is the HTML right here in this area. I'm not going to embed a full calendar. I would prefer to embed an agenda calendar. It's much simpler and a lot easier to use, and it's visually more appealing, and you get more information displayed at the same time. So here is what you would need to do. You would have to click on customize the color, size, and other options. And here it shows you what the calendar is going to look like. What we want is an agenda calendar. You can choose this calendar if you would prefer, but this is a lot better in my opinion. You click the agenda calendar. It shows you the events. We will have to change also the width. It's a lot better and more visually appealing, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So here is what you need to do. If you change this to 250 pixels, it will be much better. When you do this, it's going to change the setting for the calendar itself, and it's going to shrink and look like this. Once you're done, you need to copy all of the HTML text right here in this box, and you need to copy it. The easiest way is to right click and then select copy. Now that I have that done, I'm done with the Google Calendar part. We will go to my Moodle course. This is my course that's where I would like to embed a calendar, and you will have to turn the editing on. Once you do that, you will have to go to add a block, and here we want to add an HTML block. Once you do that, you will see a block labeled new HTML block right here. Now I'm going to click on the configuration, which is the hand with the pen on it. I'm going to configure this HTML block by clicking on this. Here you will have a chance to label it, this block. You can label it our calendar if you would prefer, or course calendar. And to embed the HTML text, you need to click on HTML right here. So we're going to actually click on that, and we are going to paste what we have copied from Google Calendar, the actual HTML from Google Calendar. The easiest way is to right click, paste, then you press enter, and then you click on update right here. It shows up right here, the calendar that we took from Google Calendar. And now we're going to click on save changes. Once you turn the editing off, your calendar should show up the way we saw it earlier within Google Calendars. Turn editing off, and here is the events. These are all events that will change as you change your Google Calendar. If you update something on your Google Calendar, it will also show up in here. And that's how you include a Google Calendar within your Moodle.